Hello everybody, and I am back again with Rain World. Hello. Okay. So we're doing survival again, and we just left off last time in the industrial complex. So, I guess we're gonna be going through there. So right now, I'm still going to be trying to go up, or the upmost place. So, yeah. I'm already so good at this game. Okay, I remember that being food. Okay, so that's popcorn. But how would I get there? Would I get there like this? No. Nope. Not that way. Okay, let's see. So I probably need to go further up. That's the wrong button. Whee! Okay. So I'm gonna go up here, as I've been going up the whole time. Oh, look, it's a flower. What's that mean? Oh. Nope, I'm not going that way. I am not going that way. Oh, no, I'm not going that way. Oh, no. Come on, I want to escape. This is probably painful to watch. Me failing to go up a pole. But I'm determined to escape. Okay, I'm going up. Okay. I did it. I went up. Wow, I'm so good at this game. No, I'm not gonna go this way. Seems like there's just gonna be something really dangerous there. Oh, look. Okay, I guess I'm going here. Okay, so we survived one cycle, and now we have the maximum level of that thingy. Okay. So I'm gonna take this with me, as it's probably important just to have at least one at all times. Okay. There's just bats going around. There's... what are those shiny things? Yeah, I tricked you, prick. I lost the bat because of a rock. Nobody likes rocks. Rocks are stupid. Whee! Ooh, it's a green guy. Ah, get tricked. Okay, I guess we should go up. Okay, I'm gonna hide from the blue guy. Okay, I think I'm safe here now. Okay, I saw that lizard over there. Oh. Frick. Oh. Well, I guess I died. So, I forgot to start recording again, so I died, and now I have to start at 4. Okay. So, I'm still gonna keep on trying to go that way. Because that's the way I chose to go. Alrighty. No, I don't want to jump off there. So I'm just gonna go and try not to die this time to a bunch of things. Oh, I didn't know I could do that. Oh, what are those? What the heck are those? Oh, what the heck is that? Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, that is scary. So I think I'm just gonna move on and ignore them. Alrighty. So it looks like I have made it to a new den, but I do not have enough food to go into the den. So I think I'm just gonna have to go and get those bats, or maybe go to, like, just move on from the den. Or I could get the bat thingy and then just go to sleep in that den. What's that? Why do I gotta be so bad at parkour? It's waiting for me. And those guys are waiting for me. What the heck? Let me out. Let me out. Why is it trying to go in here? No, I think I'm just gonna wait for it to leave. Okay. So it finally left. I did it! I didn't fall! So now I guess I'm just gonna go up. Oh, it's the invisible lizard. No, no, don't eat me again, don't eat me again. So I think I'm just gonna go around it. Because I don't want to deal with that. What's that thing? Ooh. New sandbox item unlocked. Wonder what that is. Oh no, the lizard's chasing me. The lizard's chasing me, the lizard's chasing me. Now it's not the time for food, I'm running from a lizard with a tongue. Oh, it's one of those gateways. Come on, hurry, close, I don't have that much time. Well, I made it to another area. So I'd say that this is the end of this video for today. As soon as I find a place to sleep. Which probably isn't that long, because I'm pretty sure they put shelters like right next to the gates. That way seems like it's not a good way. Oh. What's this? Are these pickles? I didn't know they had pickles here. Look, there's a living pickle. Oh, I ate it. Okay. I guess it's gone. But I didn't get any food, so I don't think that you can eat the living things. Oh, look, a dream. Oh, they're all sleeping. That's cute. Well, I think I'm gonna end it here for today. I had a fun time playing Rain World. So I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching to the end if you did. Please like and subscribe. It would very help me much. Thank you.